Melissa Cayes was a very active person, but on May 15th, she says that she received news that changed her entire life.
I lost my sense of smell, which was the first symptom that I experienced, but the most prominent symptom that I got or that I experienced was shortness of breath.
She was diagnosed with COVID-19. 50% of COVID-19 cases are Hispanics in Maricopa County, according to their website.
I felt like I was running a marathon. Even going to the bathroom left me agitated and lightheaded and stuff, and I had to take a break from that.
Despite Cayes' ongoing health issues, she intends to get out to vote in the upcoming elections. A report by Pew Research Center indicates that Arizona is among the top states for Latino-eligible voters in the 2020 election. Arizona represents 1.2 million, or 24% of Latino voters.
We're moving towards a vote center model, which is vote anywhere.
We spent monies on COVID prior to receiving.
Recently, the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors and the Maricopa County Recorder's Office approved an emergency voting plan.
Malls will be allowing us to have those as locations so that people can go and cast their vote there.
The plan includes access to more locations and service hours, 90 to 100 voting center locations to choose from, including 50 to 60 locations available 14 days before Election Day, and voting centers and locations including tribal land and rural areas.
Salarios justos. Nuestro voto.
Mi Familia Vota is a national nonprofit organization working to unite the Latino community to promote voter registration and voter participation. They're informing the Hispanic community about taking health precautions while voting.
You don't have to line up. You don't have to be in big groups because of the pandemic we're living with.
That constant fear that I'm going to catch it anywhere.
Cayes will vote in person, and one of her concerns is that even when she already had COVID-19, can she get it again?
The fact that it's going to be at the polling sites where there's going to be a lot of people, that's kind of a little bit more nerve-wracking. That's not a good enough reason for me not to go and vote. I'm going to do my part and wear my mask, wear my gloves.
According to the World Health Organization, there's currently no evidence that people who have recovered from COVID-19 and have antibodies are protected from a second infection. And additionally, Flores told us here at Cronkite News that all of their voting centers across Maricopa County, Arizona, are going to be way large enough in order to allow voters to practice social distancing. And remember, the CDC recommends that 6 feet of distance. Their voting plan in Maricopa County also includes poll workers will wear gloves and masks. Gloves will be distributed to voters, access to hand washing stations, voting by mail. Voting centers will be at convention centers, malls, and retail facilities, and voter education campaign. For Cayes, having COVID-19 taught her, well, a life lesson.
And just to be nicer to your body and to trust it and, take care of it, because my body fought for me. And, now I just have to, do my best to be better for that.
In Tucson, Frankie McLister, Cronkite News.